Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create an interactive work-life balance quiz using Outgrow, similar to the assessment provided by the Canadian Mental Health Association. Here's how it works. Users answer a series of simple yes or no questions about their daily work habits, personal time, and overall well-being. For example, I feel like I have little or no control over my work life. I regularly enjoy hobbies or interests outside of work. I often feel guilty because I can't make time for everything I want to. I frequently feel anxious or upset because of what is happening at work. Each question encourages users to reflect on how well they're balancing their professional and personal lives. But the real value comes at the end. Once users submit the quiz, they receive a personalized result and score based on their responses. Now, let me show you how to build it using Outgrow. Start with the Outgrow AI Assistant. Simply ask it to create a work-life balance quiz with yes or no questions and personalized outcome levels. Within seconds, you'll have a ready-to-edit quiz. Next, head over to the Build tab by clicking the Edit link. This is where you can customize your questions. Create one question for each work-life habit. For example, do you use your vacation days or personal time off without feeling guilty? Do you prioritize your physical and mental well-being through exercise, rest, or self-care? Do you take breaks during your workday instead of working continuously? Use simple yes and no answer options to keep the experience fast and engaging. Once your questions are ready, move to the outcome screen. Here, create personalized results for different work-life balance levels. For example, the balanced professional, the busy juggler, the constant hustler, and the burnout risk. For each outcome, write a personalized description explaining what the user's responses reveal and share practical tips they can apply to improve their overall well-being. Next, configure the outcome logic. Navigate to each question and assign outcomes based on the yes or no responses. Repeat this for every question so Outgrow can accurately calculate the final result. Now head over to the Overall Design tab. Customize your logo, colors, fonts, and branding so the quiz matches your website perfectly. Once everything is ready, click Go Live. You can share the quiz with a direct link or embed it directly on your website. And that's it. That's how you create an interactive work-life balance quiz that helps users reflect on their habits while increasing engagement and generating high-quality leads. Ready to build your own? Start creating interactive quizzes with Outgrow and deliver personalized insights your audience will love.